Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking buttermilk chicken nuggets with honey and sriracha dip. These nuggets are tasty and addictive. Once dipped in that honey and sriracha mix, it's a heaven in a bite. To start, you'll need some chicken thighs. You could use breast meat, but I find thighs are a lot more tender and juicy. Slice into strips before cutting into cubes. This will give you bite-sized nuggets. Next, the sauce. In a bowl, add a cup of mayonnaise, a quarter of a cup of sriracha. Next, some honey. I'm using honey from my old man's hives. Please check out our other series, The Bush Bee Man. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it all together. Next, you'll need some flour for your breading. Season with 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, finally 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. Mix into the flour. Next, you'll need a bowl filled with buttermilk. To help create a crunchier breading on the chicken, add a small amount of buttermilk to the flour and mix it through. Then take the chicken and coat it in the buttermilk before moving to the flour. Fully coat the chicken in the flour. By using one hand for the wet and the other for the dry, you won't end up with club hands. Once all the chicken has been coated, place in the fridge for half an hour to firm up. Heat a pot of oil to 365 Fahrenheit or 185 Celsius. Carefully place each nugget into the oil and fry for 4 minutes. I find 4 minutes is perfect for nuggets. You end up with tender meat with crispy outsides. Make sure to cook them in batches. After 4 minutes, let the chicken drain. Repeat with the rest. There you have it, buttermilk chicken nuggets with honey and sriracha dip. These are perfect for any party. Every nugget is packed full of flavor. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.